Hi, we're back here at Kevin's garage at Bach Construction. Thank you, Kevin, for allowing us to use your lift once again. Today, we're going to install these underbody scoops by Billfaro on Jack's beautiful Rapid Blue C8. Now, these scoops are available from many different manufacturers, including the factory, but these are stainless steel, and they have a little screen here, as you can see, to prevent rocks and debris from getting up in your engine bay. Now, reportedly, this is going to bring down the temperature of your engine bay a little bit. This is a very popular item right now. I guess everybody's worried about their engine bay heat, so they'll do the job. These are very affordable. It's $99 for the pair, and they're stainless steel, not 3D printed like a lot of the others. It's going to be a very easy install. We got 3 bolts to take out and put back in, and then we'll be done. Should take us about 5 minutes, right, Jack?
10, 15.
10, 15, or maybe 3 hours like normal. Okay, you know how us boomers work. You only need one tool. You need an E16 torque socket. Now, I don't know if you can see that. Not a normal socket. It's kind of a star pattern socket, sort of like a torque screw. Okay, so Jack, let's get to work. Okay, we just got to remove these 3 bolts here, and then we'll bolt it right back up again.
This one,
and that one. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. A lot of times these are real tough to get off. We might have to use a long arm ratchet wrench to get them started. Okay, stop. Now these little torque bolts are really in there tight. You see, we started them off with a breaker bar and an impact wrench. If yours are that tight, you're probably gonna have to do that. All right, we got those 3 bolts out. It's tough to get them started. They're in there torqued out really tight. You have to use a breaker bar or an impact wrench to get them started. My Jack's putting it up there now, facing it forward. Put the 3 bolts back in there, and we'll be done. Now this way. Lift your hand up higher. There you go. Gotta lift your hand up higher.
Make sure this one's tight.
These are.
Okay.
Now these little bolts, you can see they don't have much of a shoulder on them. So you gotta make sure you hold the wrench nice and level when you're putting it up in there. Well, there you go. And that puppy's in. It's going to scoop up some air up into the top there and keep our engine bay a few degrees cooler. And we're done. That really only took about 10 minutes, maybe not even that, once we had the right tools. Here's how they look from underneath. You can't see them from anywhere else. That's the left side. There's the right side. You can see they got the nice cross hatch over across the front of it, preventing debris to get in there. The air is going to come right up here, up into there, and up into the engine bay. Now, I'm not going to run any tests. There's been plenty of tests online that show that this does work to reduce the engine bay temperature a little bit. 20 degrees maybe. I saw someone said 50 degrees. I don't know about that. I don't know if it solves the real problem or not, but a lot of people like them. A lot of people are concerned about their engine bay temperature, so these will work. Again, these are from Billfaro. I'll have links down in the description. $100 for the pair. Stainless steel. Probably the best made ones I've seen online so far. I'm Tim. See ya.